Hello and welcome to all our viewers who are watching our video on North Bengal tourism. As we are prone to do for all our videos, which are of course taking those offbeat kind of places do we have to see here, or our visitors, what can they find here?
So actually, this place is like I have named it like tea and village. Like one part is tea garden, and the other part is village. So it's a tea village homestay by name. So people are being a tea garden because I have made this place a tea garden based homestay, and so we have a like all destination like nearby tea garden and riverside and all these things are here, so that's why people will like here.
Thank you so much. We have seen that you have made a very selected combination. Like one of your cottages, it talks about a pine cottage. It's named like that. Another one is a stone cottage, which is again a very beautiful one. Slightly very different from the kind of cottages that we usually find in homestays. So why have you named these different types of cottages? Like, what is so specialty about your tea village homestay cottages, which are different named?
Okay. Actually, this Pinewood cottage, this name in Pinewood cottage, we are having one cottage. We have different cottage like scattered in different areas like So this Pinewood cottage is named. It's made wood completely with pine wood. So we made it, named it as a Pinewood cottage. So now this stone cottage is like it's completely made of stone. Okay, completely.
And all
with
these
natural.
were handmade.
Ambience is given
yes.
with the stone. Only.
This is for the guests
so that's
that you have
significantly
made.
different.
When did you start the tea village homestay?
We have started like Tabakosi tourism been started since 2014, and this particularly tea village homestay started in 2016 only.
Around 4 years,
4 years
we can say.
ago. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if people are coming to Tabakoshi, as you know, Tabakoshi, as we have seen also, and we see tourists also flocking mostly to places which are overcrowded. So, when they're coming to Tabakoshi, it's actually a kind of welcome relief that they're seeing, and it's not very crowded also, and having almost the best part of the natural landscape that we can find. So, which are the major attractions of Tabakoshi that you will suggest to all our viewers?
Okay. Major attraction is here, like people would like to come here to spend a good holiday and in green area. I mean, more they can inhale more oxygen compared to city life. They can spend here, relax, and village hiking and tea garden hiking also is there, and short trek also is there. So along with these places like there is waterfalls also is there, and river side, riverfront, garden, tea garden. Mostly these are the main attraction out here. And apart from these, these are all tourist attraction. These are all by walking distance. They can walk, 10 minutes, 15 minutes like that. Apart from this, they can go for tour by vehicle also within 15 kilometer of radius. They can go for like now Jodhpur is nearby, and Mirik also is there. So Pasupati, India Nepal border. From where they can see Kanchenjunga also. So these are a combination of Tabakosi, all these sightseeing points.
Okay, now for all our viewers, they can avail either NJP or they can also come from Bagdogra when they're reaching Tabakoshi. So can you just tell our viewers like how to reach Tabakoshi apart from these ways which are possible, or is it there any other way to reach Tabakoshi also? They can come via Mirik or they can come via any other place to Tabakoshi or directly also.
Actually, New Jalpaiguri railway station is like just 2 hours travel distance from here. Okay, and from Bagdogra also they can come via Mirik, and from NJP also via Mirik. So within these 2 hours they can reach easily in Tabakoshi. So Tabakoshi is such a place like you can reach anywhere from here, like Tabakoshi to NJP, Mirik, and Tabakoshi to even to Darjeeling also. Darjeeling is just 2 hours from here. Okay, and then from Lake Jagat also nearby, and from Lake Jagat to that Chatakpur also is nearby. So the communication way is very feasible from here.
Okay, thank you. One more thing, when people are traveling to Tabakoshi, they are also asking for the kind of food that they want to have here, the kind of homely food and the taste of homestay food that they want to have. So, what is so special about Tea Village Homestay, especially when you talk about food here?
Okay. See, here like this is being a family homestay, like ne? Being a family homestay, we prepared homely food only. Like that is very simple, less oily, and like no, that is delicious. That way we prepare. And if somebody wants to go for like no little bit different type of food, then we can also can be prepared. So generally, in general, we give them very healthy. We'll try to make it organic, our own fresh garden vegetable also. So 70% will be organic, and 30% will be I can't say organic. So that way we prepare. We try to make them. We try to prepare food organic, homely. That's it.
If people want to book from Kolkata or from any other part, say around the nation, around the city, if they're traveling from other cities also, is there any way to book from any website, or how do they contact you, Tea Village Homestay?
See, since we have promoted 2014 only, so we have given on very different portal. We have given like not like commercially, but the visitors who are coming here since 2014, they are giving like they are good reviews, and they are posting pictures and videos. And that way, like we are this promotion is going on. And apart from that, my friend Avivata Bhakta also is in Calcutta, so he has got tour planner blog also. So he is posting some new destination also. That way we are promoting.
One last question that we have, seeing that COVID situation is actually making people it's creating this constant fear that people are afraid to travel to places. So, what COVID precautions you have taken as part of the Tea Village Homestay, where people can travel safely, they can stay safely, and they can again go back to their home safely? That's
Okay.
the thing.
Okay. See, since COVID is there, uh, we have guidelines of government of West Bengal. So we are going through the guidelines also, and if possible, we are also taking care. We are also observation is there also with the tourist how their health is in present situation. So that way we are observation, and while checking in we are just sanitizing whole luggage and all, and also after checking out we are fully sanitizing rooms, and then only we are entering tourist in the room. So that way we are taking care of that COVID part also. But right now here in our village there is no COVID patient also. So that way we are also very aware of that COVID also is there. So we
People
are
can travel safe.
precaution measure also is be taken here.
Okay. So one last question, that if you are quite feasible with this question, but this is for all our viewers
Okay,
who
okay.
actually want to know about the tariffs if possible, and like is there any phone number to contact, like which we
Okay,
can
okay,
display
okay,
on the
okay.
blog?
Tariff, obviously this tariff since we are operation started, initially it was little bit lower side. Now been is upgrading also, upgradation also is there of our homestay. So that way right now tariff is in general 1500 per person with food and accommodation. Okay, that is includes all meals, since starting to big tea to evening tea and all. that veg and non-veg meals and all whatever, and that part is there, and another part is there like superior room also is there like stone cottage and other. So that way the price is in double sharing 2000 per person we are charging, and if triple sharing and four sharing is there, so accordingly will per person price will be reduced a bit.
So, any message for our viewers who are wishing to travel to North Bengal, or any message in general that you have for travelers?
Okay.
Because I'm asking this because you have been, attached with this travel and tourism yourself since a long time, as you
Yes.
told us. So, any message for the travelers, hikers, those who are coming for expeditions? Any message for them?
So what I give message through your channel. Okay. So we welcome to all to this destination to visit, to explore this beautiful destination, Tabakoshi, and see. So and keeping in view, like no, in this COVID-19 is there, so you need you need to take care of this health wise also. We are also taking care. There is no fear. They can come here to enjoy, but that precautionary measure has to be taken during this COVID-19. And lastly, I would like to give my phone number here.
Yes.
Whoever wants to contact us directly, that is 09 0 8 3 111 566. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for your time. Thanks for the interview. It was
Welcome.
lovely staying at Tea Village Homestay.
thank you.
And this is definitely going to be one of the finest destinations that we had in our itinerary. And definitely our viewers are going to like this. Thank you so much for your time.
Definitely,
Thanks for
if
our.
you have blessing on us, definitely it will
Thank
go
you so
on
much
us
for your
very
time.
positively.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, man. Thank you.